Welcome to Algebra 2 release question number 23 for the CST. Here's what we got here. Did I need to say here twice? I don't think so. Here's what I have here. I just did, just because I felt like it. What do I got? I've got 20 x to the negative 4. I'm going to take care of that negative exponent in the next step. But I want to take care of that divided by sign right now. That divided by sign is going to change to a multiplication of the reciprocal of that fraction. So I'm going to write 15y to the negative 5 on the top and 8x to the negative 3 on the bottom. So dividing by a fraction is the same as multiplying by the reciprocal. Now let's deal with those negative powers. So here I'm going to have any negatives. We'll switch the place in the fraction and we'll make them positive powers. So that's going to go down there as a positive power. This one and this one, you can flip-flop those and make them positive powers. And so on the top we'll have 20 over 27 x to the positive 4 y squared. And then we'll have here 15 x to the positive 3. And then on the bottom 8. I'm not switching the place of the coefficients. Those aren't to negative powers, just the variables are. So I have 8 times y to the positive 5 down there. Now let's see if I can cross cancel anything. That would be really helpful if I could. So I see 3 x's here. There's no more x's down here, but there are some here. So 3 x's here will cancel with 3 of the x's here. That'll become like it's a 1. So we don't really need to think of a 1 being there, but let's write it in for right now, just so we know that 3 of those went away, you still have 1 left. Here and here, looks like I can cancel 20 and the 8, cross cancel, and I can reduce that down all the way to a 2 and a 5. In the 15 and 27, I can reduce those by cross canceling. I can divide both parts by 3, and I'll have a 5 and a 9. So let's try to make sense of what I have left now. I've got a 5 and a 5 multiplied together on the top. That's just 25. On the bottom, I've got 9 times 2 for my coefficients, that's 18. I've got x to the first, which is just x. I've got y squared times y to the 5th. I've got 2 y's then times 5 more y's. That would give me 7 y's all multiplied together. There it is. That's choice D for number 23.